Dogeverse has raised a whopping $15 million plus over here and will be launching quite soon, guys. I'm talking like in the next 10 to 20 days. Now, if you're here in the crypto space, you're actively researching, you might already know, but look here, Web3 watch, Base kicks off on-chain summer 2.0. So this is going to be huge for Base kind of projects, Base dApps, Base chain ecosystems, meme coins. This is really, really big stuff here, guys. And effectively what that means is Base overall on-chain summer 2 is coming. They're inviting builders, creators, brands and artists to co-create on-chain summer, which will effectively grant over $2 million in prizes and rewards, gas credits. It's going to get people building, and what we know is Dogeverse can be bought on Base, so effectively this is also supported by the Base ecosystem. Now we can see something big happen here, guys. I also wanted to mention Slofana, a pre-sale we recently looked at on the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel, which is absolutely going parabolic at the moment. You can see it's pumping a lot and it's looking bullish, and it's up a lot since the very, very first stages of the launch and the pre-sale. People are up and in profits at current time, which is fantastic. Meme coins are also strong, and you can't really make that up when you look at the daily valuation. Meme coins are actually mocking everything right now in the crypto space, and overall are looking really strong. So let's talk about it. We can see Dogeverse is $0.00031. Could this be the next 10 to 100x meme coin of explosive potential? Remember, this is not financial advice, but if you are looking for a big meme coin, next Pepe, next Shiba Inu scale, this may be it. So overall, 50 million plus raised. Tokenomics, you've got 200 billion maximum tokens, no inflation. Phase 5 also hints at cosmic travel, the first centralized exchange listings, and 200 billion tokens, guys. Like I say, not trillions, and there's no mass inflation. So you're not gonna get like obliterated by inflation here and token dilution. So it's gonna hold value hopefully nicely. We can also see that the roadmap does have all the bullish things that we need to help support the ecosystem and make things look decent. And I would also say 54% per annum staking rewards is quite solid as well. Not the most enticing level of staking rewards, but the staking is there. It's quite good, and it could be worth doing. Maybe if you want to like put some into staking and then have the rest as liquidity you can take out immediately and claim as soon as it goes live. So yeah, looking good, guys. Hope it could do well. Do not risk more than you can afford to lose. It's always rule number one with any sort of ICO out there. And you can see they are indeed just growing the Twitter more and more, getting lots of impressions, retweets, and overall just generating a lot of excitement for this multi-chain ecosystem. So effectively, Dogeverse token will be, what's the word? I'm trying to think of the word. They don't really care about, for example, an ecosystem. There's no sort of prejudice, there's no sort of stereotype or judgment about ecosystems. They just want to bring the community in together, the meme coin community, all into one big ecosystem. And when you've got 6 different trading pairs here, so effectively you can buy Dogeverse on 6 different ecosystems. You've got ERC20, BEP20, you've got Polygon, Avalanche, you've got Base, and we just spoke about Base and how bullish this is with on-chain summer coming back, over 1 million views on that. This is potentially a recipe for a very, very big launch. So I am keen to see what happens. You can buy it by using a DeFi wallet. So you hit the connect wallet button. You need something like a MetaMask wallet, a Best wallet, a Coinbase wallet, Wallet Connect, and you convert your Ethereum or Tether into Dogeverse tokens. I have got the link down below that you can use, which will enable you to visit this website safely and securely, because there are counterfeit websites out there. So be careful. And I'm going to quickly just show you guys right now what they look like if you type Dogeverse in. I think they may have been removed actually. Thankfully they've been removed, but I did flag some of these up because I did see them recently, and obviously it's not good because people in the markets could just type Dogeverse and you might accidentally go to the wrong website. Very easy to spot if you're someone that's experienced, but if you're not, then I wanted to put that out there as well, guys. And make sure you also start to join something new, which is the 99 Bitcoins first official, shall I say, what's the word? Discord channel. So if you want to join 99's Bitcoins Discord channel, the link is now down below. We're starting from scratch, very fresh. Could take a while to grow the community, but if you're watching this video, you could be one of the very first in here, and it would be great to see some names and get some conversations going. Thanks for watching this video. Take care, stay crypto safe, and Dogeverse could be that big one where you could flip 1K into 10K, 10K to 100K, or 100K into $1 million. Who knows? Meme coins are crazy. Link down below, not financial advice.